How to get $100 Home Depot promo code. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. In the search bar, search for Home Depot promo code 2024. Different sites will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let's move into this one for now. It will land you on this interface where you will be able to get tons of different coupon codes or the promo codes. You will also find a $100 coupon code over here. Not only that, you can also find different offers that will be beneficial for you. So once you find a suitable offer, click on View Coupon. It will land you on the page where the promo code will be visible to you. Once you get the promo code, what you want to do is simply click on Copy. Once you have copied the promo code, now what you want to do is head over to Home Depot. Apply this promo code that you have just copied, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get $100 promo code for Home Depot. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.